what I see here is really 95% of what your success is now. Because I see many things here which are very well thought about. Closed in, no birds, clean water, disinfecting, food baths. I tell you, it's tagging, recording. I can tell it's. I was thinking in the beginning, shall I have to add something to this company?
Situated in 50,000 square meter land in the serene island of Sri Lanka, Lumbini is the producer of country's finest and high-quality ornamental fish. Welcome to Lumbini Aquaria. Lumbini is the largest ornamental fish hatchery in Sri Lanka with over 1,000 tanks and a brood stock of over 1 million pairs. Mother fishes in our breeding section give birth to thousands of baby fries every hour. We select and sort them in the process of identifying the gender of fish. They are then transported to our outgrowth farmers operating around the farm. Years of experience and stability enable us to provide all the requirements of fish while maintaining high quality standards. The order can be processed and made available within 5 to 6 working days. Lumen has been able to provide employment to over 100 families living in close proximity to the farm. We also take pride in stating that they have been a pillar of strength to the fine operation of Lumbini Aquaria. At the Outgrowers farm, the little fries are introduced to the tank by Lumbini's crew members. We make sure that our fish are healthy and happy during the entire grow-out process. The farmer takes care of the fries until they are ready for harvest. Outgrower farmer cleans his tanks on a daily basis and removes 30% of the extant water by a process called siphoning. Our staff and the outgrower farmers are trained to handle the fish with utmost care at all times. Once they are ready to ship, the crew members along with the farmer sort and pack the fish. Every fish that we harvest are being handled with extreme care as we understand the value of a pet and the way of handling a perishable item, and send them to the Lumbini's quarantine facility. Apart from outgrowers, Lumbini's grow-out section too produces approximately 100,000 guppies monthly. Fish are fed 3 times a day. The tanks are cleaned and siphoned to remove 30% of the water once in 4 days. Once the fish are mature, they will be harvested and dispatched to the quarantine section. All our fish are quarantined for 7 to 14 days prior to the delivery. Once the quarantine process is over, they will be resorted to the required sizes and will be dispatched to the packing center. At our packaging center, high quality treated deep well water is used when packaging fish. Every pack is carefully inspected by the packaging staff and is treated with waste reducers to minimize the stress during transportation. Each pack is rechecked by a packing staff and quality assurance officer. Then they are kept at a temperature controlled environment prior to the final packaging. Lumbini's experience of over 6 decades is applied at the packaging level, and we always try to minimize death on arrival. and then they are dispatched to the airport to reach the destination. Is the highly assured biosecurity in aquaculture practices that we strictly adhere to. The health of the fish at Lumbini is checked by a team of aquaculturists. We train our aquaculturists under the guidance of qualified foreign and local fish experts. We adopt the modern and latest technology to provide an exalted service to our customers. We produce our own feed with the use of best ingredients. We have been producing and nursing most alluring living colors in the world for 66 years. We anticipate to continue to produce the best ornamental fish in the world for another century or more. Lumbini's marine holding facility is set up to meet the world's standards. It is a 100% closed and biosecured system. The facility is equipped with a recirculative filtering system with a capacity of over 1,000 cubic meters. Our expert aquaculturists monitor the water parameters on regular basis to ensure the export of disease-free fish. Lumbini's marine holding facility is claimed to be one of the best in Sri Lanka that is made to match the ocean condition to hold the marine fish. We have invested in a sophisticated marine holding facility to ensure the well-being of marine fish until they reach their new home. During harvest and transportation, fish can experience stress and trauma, and our expertise helps minimize the damage to fish at all times.
දැනට ලුම්බිනි ඇක්කරේ ආයතනයත් එක්ක සම්බන්ධලා අවුරුදු 10ක් විතර වෙනවා. මට මුලදී තිබ්බ ටැංකි 6යි. ඒක මම 110 වෙනකන් වර්ධනය කරගෙන ගිහින් තියෙනවා. මම මේ ආයතනයත් සමග සම්බන්ධ වී උපයාගත් මුදලින් තමයි මගේ නිවස ඉදිරි කරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. මේක ප්‍රධාන මගේ ආදායම් මාර්ගය. මම ඉදිරියටත් ආයතනයට හොඳ නිෂ්පාදනයක් දෙන්න තමයි මගේ බලාපොරොත්තු වෙලා.
We respect nature and its living beings. The newly formed conservation wing of Lumbini Aquaria, known as LARC, Lumbini Aquatic Resources Conservation, conducted a workshop on prevention of diseases in ornamental fish in Sri Lanka by a renowned fish pathologist from Belgium, Dr. Gerald Basler.
Perhaps collecting can be good if you do it well, if you use correctly.
අපි විද්‍යා විෂය හදාරන සිසුවියන් වශයෙන් අපිට අපේ සිලබස් එකට අදාළ කොටසක් අපිට ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන් වන
Outgrowers, university as well as school students, fish suppliers, buyers, and other interested groups took part in the workshop.
This is very informative program, and we have benefited in a lot of ways. And we are from India. And also big thanks to Lumpini Korea.
First of all, I take this opportunity to thank Lumpini Korea for giving me an opportunity to participate in this one-day workshop.
We respect our product, the living fish, and try to keep them happy and stress-free. We protect every member of our value chain such as farmers, buyers, suppliers, as well as the staff. The export of living ornamental fish is no ordinary business. It requires dedication and handling of the delicate living beings with care. With gratitude to our staff, we take pride in mentioning that we have been able to export over 300 million fish across the globe. In the modern, busy and rapidly developing world where people are compelled to live in concrete jungles void of serenity and the goodness of nature, it is hoped that our colorful and beautiful fish will swim inside your house and workplace to make you feel a part of the wonderful nature.